working on a 2006 Ram 1500. This one is the 4.7 liter, and I'm working on the airbag indicator. Here's my new one. Here's my old one that I got out. I believe this is the original part number. So to remove this cover, this front cover right here, you're gonna remove the cover from the bottom here, because there's two bolts that's holding on to the top trim, one on this side, one on this side. But this one was giving me a hard time. I couldn't get this box out because this was a construction truck, so I didn't want to waste my time taking this out. So I kind of popped the cover out, had the water bottle in, you know. I used my special tools, the short one, the 7mm socket, and the Milwaukee right here. So I had enough room where I can sneak my hand in like this and just remove it. It's only 3 bolts that's holding it. So I'm on to my last screw right here, and that's it. Reconnect the connector after. You know, to remove this box right here takes too much time, and there's a lot of electrical going at the bottom of the car, so I didn't want to waste my time. So after I get this last bolt, I'm gonna put the connector back, show you the code. There you go, just like that. And I'm gonna show you the code. Here I'm in the airbag code, passenger airbag indicator. So now I'm gonna clear it. Okay, cycle the key off, key back on. And that's it, the airbag light went off. So that's it for this car, guys. If you like my video, leave it a thumbs up, comment down below, ask me anything you want to ask me, like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you.